the vital question. What does a president wear?
What about policies, Nova? What platform will you run on?
I was thinking 7-inch with a silver heel.
Not platform shoes. I mean, the platform where you stand for something.
Right. I stand for shoes.
Nova, please. Being president is actually about caring for people. You're a great pop star, but you're also the kind of person who loses Sid in her own mess.
Sid! I need Sid.
You can't be huffy with the world's best captain.
No! Madge! Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Go on!
I can't. It's too rude. It's just not me. I was raised to believe if you can't say anything nice, only say it to great Uncle Seamus.
Ta-da!
You prettified the Barnet beast!
So much for it's all about what's inside.
No, but maybe you shouldn't.
The most powerful dress-o-matic in the universe at last! Time for the most retro vibes ever.
Nova, stop!
Dress-o-matic, take me back. Make me super retro.
Nova, don't!
What the honk? Whoa, this is just how my sweet used to look. I think have we gone back in time?
Super retro? Back in time to when?
This is the time we never talk about.
Why don't we talk about it?
I don't want to talk about that.
Why not? What's so...
Nova, come on, it's rehearsal time. Positions. Ready. I'm Gravity Jane.
I'm Photon Faye. And I'm Nova Jones.
And together we are...
Three's the charm. Three's the charm. Please welcome to the stage, Avon!
You can call me supernova. Shine so bright, you know I'm like a supernova. Light up the night like a lightning strike. Yeah, watch me face my fear. My worries disappear. You can call me supernova. 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 Shine so bright, you know I'm like a supernova. Light up the night like a lightning strike. Yeah, watch me face my fear. My worries disappear. Call me supernova.